I am Aisali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news.
Now adding news from Rawalpindi. As per ISPR, Pakistan today conducted a successful training launch of the Abdali Weapon System, a surface-to-surface missile with a range of 450 km as part of ex-Indus. The launch was aimed at ensuring the operational readiness of troops and validating key technical parameters, including the missile's advanced navigation system and enhanced maneuverability features. The training launch was witnessed by the Commander, Army Strategic Forces Command, senior officials from the Strategic Plans Division, Army Strategic Forces Command, as well as scientists and engineers from Pakistan's strategic organizations. The President, Prime Minister of Pakistan, Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, and Services Chief extended their congratulations to the participating troops. Scientists and engineers, they expressed complete confidence in the operational preparedness and technical proficiency of Pakistan's strategic forces to ensure credible minimum deterrence and safeguard national security against any aggression.
For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.